So a few months ago, I rolled out the brand new Centr HYROX Turf here at my house.
2, 3.
And though I'm not like some professional HYROX athlete, I think that this has been a really good investment for my home gym. So if you know me, my name is David Moss Jr. My actual home gym's on the other side of the house. This is our sport court. We actually just got done playing some pickleball and it's about to rain. But I wanted to make a quick video on this because if you're serious about setting up your home gym, and if you're serious about training for HYROX, or you just want something that gives you this, 2 lanes, plenty of room to do all sorts of different exercises, including sled push, sled pull, burpee broad jumps, lunge walks, handstand walks, anything that you can use on a flat surface like this. I really have liked this, and I think there's no real content on the turf itself. Centr has incredible gyms, and they're really coming hard at the home gym space. But for me, this has been probably one of my favorite things I've gotten from Centr. And I love, there's 2 lanes. There's the end zone here. I don't know what it's called, but they have 3 different sizes, 3 different options. One where it's just all black, one where it's just 2 lanes and it's shorter. And then this is the full size one. And I wanted to just go over my experience with it, because if you're on the fence about getting it, or if you didn't even know this existed, or if you have a space, you just need a flat level surface. That's it. Luckily, it just happened to fit here on my sport court, which is amazing. It's right outside the pickleball line. Everything just worked out. But a couple things that I thought were interesting, it's designed for friction, and there's a lot of things about it that I like better than regular turf, because at the other house that I lived at prior to this house, I actually turfed half the backyard. And one of the things I didn't realize is, like, you get a smell from turf after it's baking in the Florida sun. And I've actually learned a lot about it. There's a lot of toxic chemicals that can come from turf, but it's not so much the turf itself. It's actually the little rubber recycled tire crumbles that you really can get a lot of the toxins from. But that's not really what this video is about. This video is really about how I've really enjoyed this turf. We do a lot of HYROX training and HYROX simulations here with groups of people. And I have a sled that has plastic on the bottom so we can pull it across the concrete as well. But having this over here where we can do sandbag lunges, burpee broad jumps, my kids love doing handstand walks across this thing. I do. It's a great challenge. It gives you 2 lanes to race, 2 lanes to do separate things on. And other than that, it looks really good and it's held up really good. So that's really what I wanted to talk about. The top and how the actual turf itself, sorry, my dogs are loving on me here, is it's designed for friction and long-term use. And I think that's one of the differences between this and getting any other turf for this type of use, is it's designed for a ton of activities on it using heavy weight and heavy abuse. Sled pushes and sled pulls with heavy weight. It's been designed for that. It has a 16mm pile, and you see the backing here. I don't have mine glued down. I haven't needed to glue it down because it's so long. It has been really fine, like with either sled pushes and all the other things we do. We haven't had a problem with it moving. If we did, I'd probably glue it down. It'd be fine right here, but I haven't needed to glue it down. And I've really loved it. It's became not an eyesore because of the coloring, because it's not like a neon green and yellow, what you typically see with turf. So I just wanted to make a short video saying and suggesting if you're looking for this, like this is a specific video. If you're looking for turf, if you're training for HYROX, if you have a space like this is very specific. This would be the turf of choice. I literally got it, rolled it over here, opened it up, rolled it out, and it was ready to go. Like, it was ready to go. You can glue it down. They recommend gluing it down if you're like a gym and you're gonna have a lot of people using it, doing sled pushes and pulls. I would say you probably want to glue it down. I didn't glue it down because I wasn't sure if I wanted to have it on this side of the court, if I wanted to move it over to that side of the court, or what. So I've enjoyed it. And I just want to make a quick video on it because I haven't seen anybody make a video on this turf. And if I was looking for turf like this, I'll have a link down in the video description that takes you to Centr's website so you can look at the different sizes and all the specs. That's not what this video is about. This is me just telling you that, hey, it's a good purchase. It's a good decision. I've enjoyed it. People have enjoyed it. And it really doesn't get that hot. Like, it gets a little hot in the middle of the sun when it's 100 degrees outside, but it's not like scorching hot. Like my gym, I have horse stall mats over there. It's like you can't walk on it barefoot. This right here, I've been really impressed. So Centr, thanks for making good products for people who are training for HYROX and making great home gym equipment for anyone who's looking for that. I have quite a few pieces of Centr equipment, and if you want to check out any of those reviews, they're on my channel here. You can check those out. And if you want any more information on all of the different things that Centr has to offer, once again, I'll have a link down in the video description. You can check that out. But other than that, quick video on Centr's Turf. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, my friends, and God bless. Everybody look to your right. Woohoo! And that's why we're doing this. You got it. You got it. You got it. Let's go! You're killing it! You! Right. Yeah. Yeah, it's easy. You got it, babe. You got it.
Go, Kyle. Nice.
You got it, babe. We're not allowed to touch the rope, are we? No. Okay. You got it, babe. You got it.
Nice turn. Last one. Last one. Last one.
It's all stuck in the crack.
Go.
There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Over the line. Over the line. Over the line. A little more. All the way. All the way. Good job, babe. Let's go. Clear the mat. Clear the mat. Good job, babe. This is awesome. Yeah, girls and boys. Good job, babe. Good job. You're doing great. 2 more. It's 6 total, right?
6.
6 total. Go, baby. Go, baby.
Last bit.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All the way.
There we go.
Pull it all the way. Pull all the way. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Good job, babe. Where'd you go?
I'm dead. I'm alive.
You're alive. Where do people pee if they gotta pee? Off the bridge?
Maybe.
Okay. Woo! Good job, babe. Good job, babe. Good job. Good job, babe. Look good. You look good. You got it, baby. You're doing great. I love that view. I love that view.